Nice guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our coins and it works amazing. What's up people, and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how I got unlimited coins for Pocket FM absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any mod or anything. Imagine guys, it's working perfect and bold Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AdLoop. Then type in search Pocket FM and you will find the online tool. Click there and now we'll have to enter our Pocket FM username. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me enter mine quickly. Press continue guys and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID is successfully connected. The next step is to select our coin amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue guys and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to stay updated with this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of this and review more websites. For now, this AdLoop is an amazing website for this. And now guys, we have a few minutes to complete this bot check process. Just click I'm not the road to verify yourself. Perfect. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the game are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So I will download TikTok and I will download Copper and complete the tasks. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens. So let's wait together guys and let's see. Nice guys, as you can see, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Coins are on the way. I'm so excited guys to test this and share with you. So let me open the app and let's see. So let me click on my store. Nice guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our coins and it works amazing. So that is pretty much it for this tutorial. As you saw, AdLoop is an amazing website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.